When first approaching a lithium-ion battery recycling line project, the initial focus is often on processing capacity. However, once actual site evaluations begin, the priorities shift. Is the recovery of black mass stable? Is the separation of copper and aluminum clean and distinct? Can the entire line operate continuously? Modern lithium-ion battery recycling lines achieve continuous processing through automated discharging, enclosed shredding, and multi-stage sorting. Different materials are progressively liberated and directed into separate collection systems. For long-term operational projects, stability is often more important than raw processing speed alone.